I am going to show you how to connect your Phonak or Unitron TV connector to your television and to pair the connector to your hearing aids. Here's the box for the TV connector. This happens to be a Phonak one, but it could be Unitron as well. I'm going to open up the box here and I'm going to pull everything out that we need. So we have our user guide. Here is the TV connector itself. We have a quick setup, and in here we have our power cable. So I'm going to just take the twist tie off of this, and I'm going to plug the USB into the plug. I'm going to plug it into the wall, and I'm going to connect the other end to the actual TV connector at the back. There's one more space back here for it to go. The optic cable is already attached to the unit itself. Okay, so this has some twist ties as well. I'm going to remove the twist ties. I need to attach this optic cable to the back of the TV. Now, not every television has this. So if you look in your TV connector, how to set up, you will need to see and make sure that you have the optical digital audio out connection on the back or the side of your television, depending where your connections are. So if we turn the TV around, we are looking for the digital audio out optical connection. Okay, so I see on this particular TV, it's right up here, and I'm going to connect. Once you have your power cord connected and your digital optical cable cord connected, we now want to pair the hearing aids to the TV connector. So the first thing we want to do is we want to hold the power button down. Hold it down a few seconds. Sometimes you might have to do it a few times. Just hold it down until you see the green light in the back of the TV connector turn on, okay? Now what you want to do, so we have the TV connector on, we want to get the hearing aids into pairing mode. So depending on your hearing aids, if you do not have the charger near you, if they are rechargeable, if they're battery operated, open and close the battery door, this will turn them off or on. Right now, I've turned them off by putting them in the charger. Okay, so when the hearing aids are in the charger, they're turned off, and it just takes few seconds and the hearing aids are turned on. So now I have a 1 to 3 minutes of them being in pairing mode. So I want them nice and close to the TV connector. The TV connector is turned on. We can tell because the green light is activated. On the side of the green light is the Bluetooth connection. So I want to just hold that down for a few seconds until we see the blue light, and it's going to flash, and I could hear the connection to the hearing aids. Okay, so now the hearing aids should be connected. Just to test it out is I'm going to hit play. So right now I know the hearing aids are connected because I can hear the sound coming through the hearing aids itself. There's no volume on the TV. The hearing aids are coming, or the voice from the television is coming directly through the hearing aids. If you're watching TV with other people, you can absolutely turn the volume on for others. But if you're watching TV by yourself and you don't want any volume turned on, you can turn the volume down, and you can then use your master volume button here. I would just like to show you a few of the buttons on the TV connector. We have your power button here. We have the plus, which is to make the sound louder, and the minus to make the sound softer. At the back, we have the Bluetooth connection. So this is to pair the hearing aids. You really only need to do this once. It's not something you do on a regular basis. The green light is an indication of whether the device is turned on or not. If I want to turn it off, I'll just hold the power button and the green light goes out and the hearing aids are disconnected. To reconnect them, I'll just hold that power button again and just wait, and the green light comes on. Depending how you want your TV connector set up, you can have it where they automatically connect. It depends actually how it's set up within the software. You can activate it turning it on through your hearing aids or an automatic connection. But just know that this means the device is turned on, and if the light's off, it's turned off. You can connect it, or pardon me, place it somewhere using the double-sided Velcro to secure this. So this is how you connect your Phonak or Unitron hearing aids to your TV connector, and how to connect your TV connector to your television.